Excited na gid man ako diri sa food park na open sila. Yan, mga kabanggang, yung sa nila sir, look at this for female and male. Don't forget to wash your hands. Before kita magkaon. I'm so excited to eat na, so let's go! Thank you, sir! Kareklamo si sir, oh. Wagyu silog here. Let's try. Very soft. Abel ko maganit siya, but it's not. Aside from silog, you could also have your wagyu as a burger. And ang favorite ko sa ilang menu, kag favorite man sa tanan nga nagakadto diri, which is also their bestseller, is ang French fries, twisters, kag mojos.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!